Hi, and welcome to another episode of Mr. Puzzle. Today, I would like to do a short review of 3 different Twisty Puzzles. I received them together with the fidget spinner from Mofangge, and basically I would like to mention this video is not sponsored, so I just do an independent review here, and I would tell you my real opinion about these puzzles. And since I'm still a puzzle, or I would consider myself still to be a puzzle noob on Twisty Puzzles, let's see what we got here. Okay, this is the so-called mirror cube. Luminous. Okay, luminous means it glows in the dark, and I could already see here through the package that these lines here between the single pieces do glow. So let's just open this one up. Okay, so it looks pretty interesting here. And oh yeah, it spins not in the center, but somewhere decentered, and whoa, okay. Spins very well, by the way. I should just be careful to not mix it up, because otherwise I will mess it up forever, I think. Let me just check what this is. Ah, okay, this is some kind of a instruction. Oh, okay, and now I got the point here. It has no colors, but each individual face represents a specific position of a piece that need to be in the final solved state, and this makes it very, very difficult. And there's also mentioned here, before solving the mirror cube, you must know how to solve a regular 3x3x3 cube. I think that's a fair statement there. And let's see if I just mix it up a bit. Oh yeah. I'm pretty much sure I will never be able to get it back into the previous condition. Wow. Insane. I will have a closer look on this one. And by the way, as I said, it spins very well, very fluent. A slight amount of resistance, but not too much, not too less. Pretty cool. But since I do not know how to solve a Rubik's Cube, I know for sure not how to solve this one. I think I will put it in my shelf for now and will come back to this one later when I'm a little bit more familiar with cubes. And I'm getting more and more interested, actually. The mirror cube illuminated. Then I got something else, and this is brand new according to my knowledge, the Galaxy 2 V2 Megaminx. My first Megaminx, and the target here is, of course, same as for all the cubes, to scramble it up and then get it back into the initial condition. But I have also no idea how to solve this one. It would be interesting for me to know who of you is able to solve it, of my viewers here or subscribers on my YouTube channel. Are there people who can solve this thing? And if yes, how fast you can you solve it? And yeah, that would be pretty interesting to me, how many people of my viewers are pretty familiar with Twisty Puzzles also. It twists awesome, even better as the mirror cube. Very fluent, and I think there are also magnets inside here that, let's say, help you to find the correct position and keep it. And since it's my first Megaminx, I have never held one in my hands before, but this one feels awesome. I read that it's regarding difficulty around about the same as a regular Rubik's Cube. The Megaminx. This one I will try for sure, but since I'm still not able to solve a regular Rubik's Cube without, let's say, learning algorithms, just on my own, trying on my own, I'm sure I will also not be able to solve this one. Anyway, I think I will scramble it up and give it a try. The Megaminx. And then I received another cool puzzle, and this is a special edition of a puzzle I already own. The Clover cube. I will just get it here. This here is the regular Clover cube, and this is a special edition. It comes in this cool bag here with all these 4-leafed clovers. And if you get it out, it comes in the usual Mofangge box. And there's also something else inside. Oh, okay. I'm not sure if I will wear this, but maybe I can give it to someone who likes it more than I do. And there was something else inside. What is this? I have basically no idea what this is. I don't want to open it up right now. Maybe something to put some grease or something inside, or oil. But let's just open this thing up here. Okay, so it looks like the standard club. Ah, what is this? So there is a small, oh yeah, cool. There is some small illumination feature here inside. Pretty cool. And let's unbox this one and let's see if it's also moved the same awesome way as the regular Clover cube. And actually, this one is my favorite Twisty Puzzle so far, because it moves super smooth. It moves. You can solve it. You're able to solve it if you really want, without any algorithm or anything, just on your own. Very cool puzzle. And this one, yeah, feels round about itself. Maybe it's a little bit, let's say the plastic here seems to be, I'm not sure what plastic this is, but it seems to be a little bit harder than this one. But twisting nearly the same way. And you can also make these awesome. Oh, okay, it's a different one. I see. It can be also twisted like this, and this is different to this one. This one can be also only twisted here on the sides. But this one is also in addition like a 2x2x2 cube, it seems. Wow, that's amazing. So since I was able to solve this one, I'm now gonna try to solve this one here. I will take it on my next business trip. Very cool. So now I'm pretty motivated to solve this one. Not sure if it's easier or harder to do if I can twist all sides, but I will see. The 2x2x2 Clover cube, and now I scrambled it already up. Ah, damn it. Oh, okay. Okay, got it back. Whew. I need it for the picture later. Okay, so these have been the 3 cubes here from Mofangge. Thank you for providing them. And if you like to buy them, I will just put you some links in the description if I find them where you can get them. If you like this episode, just leave me a like, and you can subscribe, of course, my YouTube channel, Facebook channel, Instagram channel if you like. And until next time, keep on puzzling!